In this part of the tutorial, I shared my top 3 methods on how to produce an electronic signature to use it to sign a document in Microsoft Word or in PDF. So be sure to check it out and try it for yourself. Without taking much of our time, let's get started. The first method is the use of the Paint 3D. This comes as a default app in Windows 10. So if you have Windows 10, if you are using Windows 10, Paint 3D is a software that you can find inbuilt in Windows 10. To access Paint 3D, all you need to do is to come over to the search bar here and type Paint 3D, and to see it down here, you just click on it. When it's open, you can create a new document and you'll be welcome in this kind of windows. So the first thing you need to look at is to your right, you can see a bunch of marker options. You have the option to use pencil of different sizes, different thickness. You can increase and decrease the thickness as you wish. And you can go with the default marker that is available. So all you need to do is to just come over here and just sign. All right, so you just sign your name just like that, and once you're done, you can come over here to hit the crop icon. You can crop to reduce the sizing of the white background. All right, you can crop from sideways as well to reduce the sizing, but the background is still white. You can reduce the sizing to fit in your signature. So once you're done, you can actually toggle to remove the background, and to do that, all you need to do is to come over to canvas, and you can set this to transparent canvas, and it will automatically remove the background. Once you hit on transparent canvas, this becomes transparent background, and you can put it on any document regardless of the coloration of that particular document. You can fix it there. So once you are done, you are satisfied with the signature, you can come over here and just click on menu here, and then you can do save as. You can save as an image, right? But then the best version is to make sure that the image is set to PNG. That's when it will ensure that the background is transparent with that background. So you just specify which location you want to save, and you just give it a name and just save it. All right, so once you save the document, you can just open the particular document where you intend to sign your letter. Okay, so assuming I want to sign this particular letter, so all I need to do is to come over to insert here and bring in pictures from a device, and I can navigate to where I saved it, like here, and just click on insert, and then you can see it down here. I can always click on the edge here and drag or resize it until I get it to where I like. I can resize it until I'm comfortable with it, and then I can put it here, or if you like, you can put it behind the text, through the text, or you can put in front of the text, which is usually better. All right, you can put in front of the text and you can navigate it to any location that you want. You're free to increase the size, and you're free to decrease as well if you want. So this document is signed, and you can easily save it as a PDF if you so wish. All right, to the same location or to anywhere. Then you can save it as a PDF. And once you are done, it's going to open as a PDF file down here. You can see it well signed. This is the first method in which you can sign your document. The next method is using the fill and sign option of the Foxit PDF editor. Okay, from the home, you can come over to fill and sign, and then you click on add. You can type a signature. For example, in this case, I can type, all right, and it will ask me to type here, and I can just type. And you can see I can take this as my signature, or I have the option to check on the different recommended fonts over here. Most of them look like signature, so you can select from anyone, but I prefer this Lucida. Okay, once you are done selecting, or you can put on all fonts and check other fonts as well. Once you're done, you can click on OK, and this will be saved in this signature area, and you can add it to any location, like here. You can just put it, and that's all. You have it signed. So anytime you want to sign or you are writing a document, you finish, you convert it to PDF and you want to sign, you can just come over here, fill and sign, and then you just click and drag it and sign. That's all, as simple as that. And then you can bring in the signature using the normal writing mode as well. So let's try that. You click on add, and then you want to say you draw the signature. Now you have the option to write here. So you can just write. Right, so once you are done, you can clear if you are not satisfied with it, and once you are okay with it, you can just click on OK and you have it here signed, and you can save it directly. Right, so if you want to put in this particular one also, you can put it anywhere you want. You can move it and you can resize it to any given size you want. Additionally, you have the option to import from a particular point that you have signed before. Maybe if you have it saved as a PDF or as a JPEG or as a PNG file, you can always import it and then you can insert to your document. So for example, just now that we use the Pen 3D to make the signature, you can bring in that as a signature also in this document, and then you can just insert. So let's try that. Import, and then you can come over to the signature here directly, and then you click on OK and you have it here, and then you can save online, and anytime you want to sign at any given place, you just attach it there. Okay, you can just click and just attach it to anywhere, and it will just stay there just like that. So this is a very easy way to sign your signature. Very easy to sign your document and just send it to whoever wants it. The third step, which is usually my favorite, okay, is the use of the mobile Microsoft Office. You can easily access it, and there is a function called Sign PDF, and you can use it directly to sign your document. If you don't have that functionality on your phone, all you need to do is to come over to Play Store and you can search Microsoft Office. Right, you see it over here, and you can easily download and install. I've already downloaded and installed mine, so I'll just go ahead and open, and it will just open to this window just like that. You can see by your right, you have the option to select the actions. So you select on actions, and then you can come down here and you see sign a PDF. Sign a PDF. Right, so you click on sign for a PDF, and you can select any letter or any document that you specifically want to sign. So you can browse to locate that particular option from here, or you can just select a given letter that you have. So for example, I go with this letter. This is just a normal letter that I have on my screen, and then you have the option down here that says tap where you wish to sign. So assuming I wish to sign here, I just tap, and it's going to give me the option, the screen where I need to sign. So I just signed, and once you are happy with it, you have the options to check out you can change coloration over here to green or to blue, or you can store this signature, or if you are not comfortable with it, you can delete it, or you can add another signature if you want. So once you are done with this, you can click on store signature, and it's automatically set to store signature, as you can see. Then once you're done, you can come over and hit this selection, which is okay, and you have the signature in your document. So now you have the option to move it around to any location that you want. For example, I prefer to put it around here, and you can zoom out a little bit. You can zoom in so it will be a little bit smaller, or you can zoom out depending on your preference. I can zoom out, then I can position it to wherever I want. Once you are done and happy with it, you can just leave it there, and you can save the document, and it will save with that particular signature. Okay, so subsequently, you can still use this signature to sign on any kind of document that you have. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and remember to hit the like and subscribe button to stay connected with this channel for more of our useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.